Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. Today, we are going to learn something very useful and practical: body words in English. These words help you talk about your health, describe pain, explain feelings, and communicate better in daily life. In this episode, you will learn 50 body part words with clear pronunciation and simple examples. This lesson is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. While you listen, try to repeat each word slowly, copy the pronunciation, and imagine using each word in your real life. Remember, learning English is a journey. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to practice a little every day. So, relax, take a deep breath, and let's start learning together. 1. Head, head. My head hurts. 2. Hair, hair. She has long hair. 3. Face, face. Wash your face. 4. Eye, eye. I see with my eye. 5. Ear, ear. My ear is itchy. 6. Nose, nose. His nose is big. 7. Mouth, mouth. Open your mouth. 8. Tooth, tooth. I brush my tooth. 9. Teeth, teeth. My teeth are white. 10. Tongue, tongue. Stick out your tongue. 11. Neck, neck. My neck is stiff. 12. Shoulder, shoulder. My shoulder is sore. 13. Arm, arm. Raise your arm. 14. Elbow, elbow. He hit his elbow. 15. Wrist, wrist. My wrist hurts. 16. Hand, hand. Wash your hands. 17. Finger, finger. Point your finger. 18. Thumb, thumb. Lift your thumb. 19. Chest, chest. My chest feels tight. 20. Back, back. My back is tired. 21. Stomach, stomach. My stomach hurts. 22. Waist, waist. She has a slim waist. 23. Hip, hip. He hurt his hip. 24. Leg, leg. My leg is sore. 25. Knee, knee. I fell on my knee. 26. Ankle, ankle. My ankle is swollen. 27. Foot, foot. My foot is cold. 28. Feet, feet. My feet are tired. 29. Toe, toe. I hurt my toe. 30. Heel, heel. My heel is painful. 31. Skin, skin. Her skin is soft. 32. Bone, bone. I broke a bone. 33. Muscle, muscle. He has strong muscles. 34. Heart, heart. My heart beats fast. 35. Lung, lung. Lungs help us breathe. 36. Brain, brain. The brain controls the body. 37. Blood, blood. There is blood. 38. Nail, nail. Cut your nails. 39. Beard, beard. He has a beard. 40. Mustache, mustache. His mustache is thick. 41. Forehead, forehead. His forehead is hot. 42. Cheek, cheek. She kissed my cheek. 43. Chin, chin. He has a small chin. 44. Jaw, jaw. My jaw hurts. 45. Lips, lips. Her lips are dry. 46. Eyelash, eyelash. She has long eyelashes. 47. Eyebrow, eyebrow. Raise your eyebrows. 48. Throat, throat. My throat is sore. 49. Collarbone, collarbone. He broke his collarbone. 50. Rib, rib. I hurt my rib. Great job for finishing this lesson. You just learned 50 body words in English. Now you can describe your body, talk about health, and feel more confident when speaking. Please listen again, repeat the words, and make your own sentences. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Thank you for spending time learning with me today. Keep going, keep practicing, and never give up. See you in the next episode.